Hey, you are so ugly. That is why no one is your friend.
What about Sophia? I don't look beautiful. I want to meet doctor.
Okay, this is your turn to meet doctor. Go to the room in the right side.
Okay, as you say. May I sit, doctor?
Yes, of course, sit here. Yes. So your name is Sophia.
Yes, doctor, my name is Sophia.
What is your problem, Sophia?
My problem is about my beauty. How ugly I am looking.
No, don't cry, Sophia. I will do your plastic surgery.
Really? But when?
Now. Okay, sit here. Wait for an hour. I think you will be surprised about your look.
What, I can't understand that how I am looking.
Yes, but now you have to go home and change your style and dress.
Okay, as you say, doctor. Bye.
Bye.
What? Sophia, are you really? Yes, Cindy. Sorry, Sophia, for my rudeness. It is okay, Cindy.
So guys, my name is Mousree. So let's see that how I make this video, and this is Plotagon, and this is the first video in Plotagon. Let's see what version of the Plotagon Studio is. So a bit big, yeah. So guys, this is the thumbnail of the Plotagon Studio, and means the sign. And let's see that how to make the game. Okay, let's see. Means the scripts. So guys, first of all, with extras that are attainted, means all I use just Plotagon Lisa, means the scar, this black color skin out, who let become more beautiful, and Cindy means the popular girl, and Plotagon Lisa means Sophia is Nordica. So it is an in classroom with extras in this children, and attentive means they have a movement. Okay, let's see. So as I think it was in that where the Erin comes, there are not other children there. Who is actually Erin? Erin's name, when Sophia came to school, you see that, let's see more easy. So guys, I used two Erin. Number one Erin is who was just trying to looking after this child, and number two is the last, and it means where the Cindy surprised about the thing about the Sophie's room. So it was 8 because I used 1, 2, 3, 4 many there are many characters. So guys, this is my today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys, take care, and yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah, and I use this version I'm telling you all now, and it's time.